During the 2014 to 2016 Ebola outbreak, the trends in West Africa demonstrated that scientific methods alone were not sufficient enough to control the Ebola virus disease without consideration of the social-cultural contexts. In understanding the shortcomings of the scientific lens, anthropological researchers started exploring the nature of the outbreak, and only then was the role of culture emphasized in the disease transmission. Now, what we need to understand is cultural practices were instrumental in mapping out how the virus acted on the perceptions of sickness and death of the local communities. Largely unknown until it was pushed into the limelight, cultural practices like the funeral ceremonies were announced to have contributed to the spread of the virus. There was a drawback from humanitarian and state actors to immediately realize that understanding and archiving cultural practices like funerals can also help stop Ebola's chain of infection. As a dance anthropologist, I used a medium that appeared out of place in such a scientific dilemma. However, embodied techniques observed in funeral ceremonies can be documented using dance movement analysis tools. The movement analysis demonstrated that embodied techniques were not only symbolical and functional, but also fatal in the spread of the virus. It should be noted that the regular and collective performance of these embodied techniques explicated beliefs and negotiation dexterities during critical events such as the Ebola outbreak.
Because anything bad, any bad way you depend, people all man know say this not bad. Because Quran says that tell you say, Boku bad then they all man say what's not bad.
Kono be fa kelima kono na yiri babira kono be nyensinda kono be na kelima kono be fa kelima kono na yiri babira kono be nyensinda kono be na kelima o kono be fa kelima feltenin na yiri babira kono be nyensinda kono na kelima kono be fa kelima kono na yiri babira kono be nyensinda kono be na kelima kono be fa kelima kono na yiri babira kono be nyensinda kono be fa kelima kono be fa kelima kono na yiri babira kono be nyensinda